In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to ClickFunnels. We'll walk through the entire process from setting up your Google Analytics property to grabbing your tracking code and finally adding it into your ClickFunnels funnel so you can start tracking visitors and conversions correctly. Let's start inside your Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, look down at the very bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the admin section. It's the one with the little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage your accounts, properties, and data streams. If you haven't added your ClickFunnels site as a property yet, you'll want to do that first. At the top of the middle column in the admin area, click the Create option and choose Property from the drop-down. You'll be asked for some basic details, such as a property name, your reporting time zone, and currency. Fill those out, then continue through the prompts to complete the setup for your ClickFunnels property. Just follow the on-screen instructions until your new property is created. Once your ClickFunnels property is ready, we need to grab the tracking code. Still in the admin area, find the section labeled Data Collection and Modification, then click it to expand the options. From there, select Data Streams. You should now see a list of data streams associated with this property. Look for the data stream that corresponds to your ClickFunnels site and click on it. A drawer will slide open from the right side of the screen with the details of that data stream. In this panel, find and click on View Tag Instructions. Wait a moment for the page to load. Another drawer will slide open with different installation options. Choose the Install Manually option. You'll now see your Google tag, which is a block of code. Highlight that entire code snippet and copy it. We're going to paste this into ClickFunnels in just a moment. Next, log into your ClickFunnels account. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Funnels. This will show you a list of all your funnels. Select the funnel you want to connect to Google Analytics. When you click it, you'll be taken to the funnel dashboard. On the top right of this funnel dashboard, look for the Settings option and click it. A settings pop-up will open. In this pop-up, scroll until you find the field labeled Head Code. This is where we're going to place the Google tag. Paste the code you copied from Google Analytics into this head code field. Once you've done that, scroll down and click Update Funnel at the bottom to save your changes. After this, your Google Analytics tag should be installed on that funnel, and data will start flowing into your Google Analytics property.